Good afternoon, Hayward Allen Toyota customers. My name is Jeff and I represent the parts department here at Hayward Allen Toyota. I want to just take a moment of your time to show you a all-new Toyota Sienna hybrid minivan. And one of the questions we often get asked is about mounting a vanity tag on the front of the vehicle. Okay, this is a brand new 2023 Toyota Sienna XLE hybrid minivan. This vehicle is one of the fleet of Toyotas we have in our rental department. So yes, we do have a rental department. We have a very good selection of brand new Toyota vehicles for rent. You can rent for leisure, or if your vehicle is in the service department or the body shop, they do have half day and day and weekly rentals. Feel free to talk to Victoria in our rental department. But today we want to show you the front bumper area of this Sienna, and people will ask, you know, I want to mount my University of Georgia tag, or I have a license plate to mount on the front of this, and how can I do that? What's the way to do that? Is it possible? And the answer is yes, it is possible. And I'm going to show you the license plate bracket that they include with the new vehicle and explain to you where it goes. So on this new Sienna hybrid minivan, I'm going to just use the remote to remotely open the rear lift gate, and I want to show you inside of here. Sometimes people have this and they don't realize it. In this van, there's a little cubby in the corner, and they've included a basic first aid kit right here, which you can also buy as an accessory in our parts department. And this is a front license plate bracket that is included with the vehicle when it's new. And it gives you some basic directions there on the front of it, and it comes with some screws. And this is what you're going to use to mount your license plate on the front of your new Toyota Sienna. Okay, on the front of this Sienna hybrid, you have a grill area beneath the front bumper area. And what we have here, I want to zoom in closely and show you, there is a little dimple right here, and then there's another dimple right here. And these dimples, if I can show you right here, that dimple right there is a place that you would install a screw. There's one on each side of the vehicle to mount this tag bracket, and the screws, if I could show you, are included with the tag bracket right here, both to mount the bracket to the bumper, and then another pair of screws to mount the license tag you're going to put on to the bracket. It's very simple. This plastic right here on the front of this van is made in those two areas to accept a screw. You sort of poke your little hole open with the tip of the screwdriver, and what we do in the shop is use a little light powered electric screw gun to run the screw in through the bracket and install the bracket first, and then we will mount the accessory tag bracket to the once the bracket is mounted, to the van, then you'll install the tag to the bracket. And you can see here the screws that they include with the tag mount bracket, and we're just going to use a couple of these to install the bracket to the vehicle, and we'll show you what it looks like. And all I'm going to do here is use the screw to start my hole a little bit, and this is an electric screw gun. I'm just careful to run it in just a little bit, and then I'm going to mount the tag bracket. All right, there you go. We have the front license plate bracket installed in the vehicle, and actually there are 4 screws. You see the 4 recessed screws that all have a location, a little dimple on the front bumper plastic where they go in. You just snug them up, and then the 2 screws at the top to the inside, you use those to mount your vanity tag to the bracket. Very simple. And again, this bracket normally comes with the new Toyota, so it should be included. But if you don't have one, please come see us in the parts department at Hayward Allen Toyota. We'd be glad to help you, and we value your business.